Hello everybody, my name is Kay, otherwise known as Chansu Bromance on IG and Twitter. I also write as EXO1127_0112 on AsianFanfics.com. Hello everybody, so happy Chanyeol day. Yes, I'm going to do unboxing with relation to Chanyeol, so without further ado, let's go on to the video. Hello everyone, happy Chanyeol day. So I just went to see him for the Eternity Fan Con in Hong Kong, and obviously I've filmed this before his birthday because I'm going on a trip to Hong Kong by this time and we'll only be back on the day of his birthday. But anyway, I will be unboxing mostly Chanyeol related merch, especially the Mint Magazine from Thailand. This one I received maybe a couple of years back. I don't think I have featured this on this channel, so what better time to do it, right? And then I bought a couple of Hassy Poo babies. So yeah, this reminds us of Chanyeol, right? Yeah, and then just a few more things as we go along. Anyway, let's do the Mint magazine first, which is the highlight of this unboxing. Yeah, so I received this maybe a couple weeks back. Yeah, I was looking for the right time to open this and yeah. Okay, so this will have Thai text, but I think there are translations on Twitter, so we could refer to it to understand what Chanyeol has shared with us in this interview. I wonder how many pages he has here. But yeah, it's actually quite a big magazine, definitely bigger than A4. So yeah, here we go. So this is autumn 2023 third anniversary issue. Let's see. So we do have, okay, so Fila, which is Lay's endorsement. So yeah, here are the becoming Chanyeol. So page 12. Which member is reminded of me? Anyways, yeah, so this is, I guess, some Thai celebrities. I don't know, but let's go over to the Chanyeol feature. Okay. Hi! Oh my god. He is gorgeous. Right? Okay. Oh, okay. There are English like text like from here. So, but mostly it's in Thai. Legs for days. Okay, yeah, so there are like snippets of, as time went by, I found myself having more fun with dancing, and I realized how I know the members very well. While preparing for this album, so I think exists, I often saw the members do vocal directing. It was like reading each other's minds. We had a lot of fun. So nice and handsome. He looks so tall because he's, yeah, very long. Yeah, lengthening. This outfit's very lengthening on him. Yeah, those hands. Yeah, this one is one of my favorites. Wow. Alright, and nice, very nice artistic shot. Okay, so they are also describing his outfit here. So Bottega Veneta. And this is a cover. Very cute. Ooh. There's actually a lot of pages. Right? Nice. And this oversized hat. So Chanyeol's wearing Louis Vuitton super stretch tank, Burberry faux fur trapper hat, and B0 necklaces Bracelet and ring from Bulgaria. And I think that is it for Chanyeol in this magazine. Okay, very nice. So about 15 pages of him. So that is good. Okay, now let's go over the Lotto Box. I do have I don't have the photo card with me right now, but I've shown it in last year's, Chanyeol birthday vlog. Yeah, so I will link it below if you want to see my collection at the time of Chanyeol's photo cards. So yeah, this is quite so this is like the percentage of Chanyeol's Happy Lotto Box. So it's a bit dirty because I bought this like from another, so this was preload. Okay, so the contents are bucket list note, memo pad, pen, photo card, but yeah, I do have Chanyeol's, Baekhyun's, and Kyungsu's Happy Lotto photo cards, Lotto chip, sticker. So yeah, so basically what's the percentage inside Happy Lotto Box is Happy 225 grams is 25%. So for Chansu it's just funny because yeah, Love is 112 grams. Yeah, anyways, yeah, so this is what normally looks like. I also have Kyungsu's of this. Okay, and his notepad is like this, so it's got his face. Oh, nice. See, I haven't even like opened this up, but yeah, his memo pad has his face. But would you have the heart to actually write on it? I don't know. So this is the button, right? Oh, Lotto chip. Okay, and then this is a pen. I don't know if it's still working because this was from 2015, 2016, but it's got the Lotto, yeah, logo, right? I don't know if it's working. I don't have any paper here. Let me see. It's not because it's been stuck here for years. So yeah, that's what the pen looks like, and his notebook. Oh, okay, these are the Lotto stickers. So we have OT9 here and the numbers, right? Okay, and then this is his notebook with, yeah, the orange. So yeah, he's also got orange theme here. And yeah, bucket list, and then just this kind of paper. Okay, so that's it for his Happy Lotto Box. Sorry, like I'm just showing you random Chanyeol related merch, or at least what I have bought because of Chanyeol. Okay, then maybe I will show you the melody box. So I also have Chansu's photo card of this, which I've shown for Chanyeol's anyway on his birthday vlog last year. Yeah, so this is what the Melody Fairy box looks like of Chanyeol's. So it's got, I think this is the memo pad, and it's open apparently. I don't know why. Maybe the seller has taken some, I have no idea, but it's probably just oh, okay, I thought it's a blank one. It's not. It's got a very cute Chanyeol drawing, and yeah, so this is milk memo. So yeah, it's not quite, yeah, it's probably not complete. Yeah, some pages have been taken out. Okay, and so I think this is a pen. Very cute. Probably also doesn't work. And this is the mug. Yeah, so the box is also got some wear and tear. Okay, so the mug is like this, very small and cute. Oh my god! So this one is the front, and then this one is the back. Very cute. Okay, and so that's the Melody Fairy box. And okay, so Hacipupu, I guess. Yeah, so I did get a couple ones. There are a lot actually, very cute, but I think you'll know why I chose these two. And these are unsealed, by the way, because Hacipupu boxes are very random. I mean, while you have these choices, you won't necessarily have, you know, like the option to choose which one. So yeah, so I did find a couple sellers who have unsealed ones, and they're quite more expensive as well. Anyways, yeah, so this one I haven't seen yet, but okay, so okay, this one first. So there are two different lines. So this one is I'm a Hero, and this one is the Growth Diary. Okay, so for Little Hero, I bought this one, the astronaut one, because yeah, of course, with Theo for the moon, right? So this is astronaut Hacipupu, and what is included. So yeah, the helmet is movable, and what is inside? So there's like, yeah, Pop Mart. I forgot what this is called, but it keeps the moisture away. And yeah, so this, I guess, authenticity card, right? So it's original. All right, and then so this one I do have the astronaut Hacipupu. Okay, let me, yeah, so you can see better. And okay, so this one is, what is this? Okay, oh, is it sealed? Hopefully I do get, oh no, not sealed. But yeah, so I ordered, oh dear. Yeah, I ordered this one. Oh, okay, so I guess they didn't open it, but you could definitely tell from the card what you got. So thankfully, yeah. So I got the astronaut one, and this one, Bata Bata, because Bata in Filipino is child. So because of the penguin bucket hat, that is why I chose these two Hacipupu. And I'm so happy because it's still sealed in a way. Definitely expensive. Oh, should I remove this part here? Never mind. But it's so cute. It does look like Chanyeol, especially the ears. Don't you agree? Yeah, so I only have these two Hacipupu. Yeah, actually they're they're not cheap as far as I'm concerned. Right, so these two are my Hacipupu, and bought them because of essentially Chansu, you know why. Right, okay, and then what else do I have for you guys? So let me just put them away. I have actually brought the Hacipupu again because I'm filming this before I go to Hong Kong. But yeah, I'm definitely bringing the Hacipupus to Hong Kong with me. All right, and okay, what else do I have for you guys? Okay, This one is an old magazine that I received recently. I don't remember when, but yeah, I just want to go through the pages. Apparently it's Japanese, right? And yeah, so a couple of years back I did Chanyeol's magazine covers, and yeah, so I wonder how many pages of this do we have. Oh my god, so precious. This was like from Miracles in December time. Oh my god, is it full of Chanyeol? These are the Miracles in December postcards. Wow. Yeah, it's full of Chanyeol, I guess. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. Just the seller just included this in the set that I bought. I've seen this photo. So funny. Did Chanyeol wear a wig here? Okay, and then yeah. Oh, okay. So some of them are like old photos. Oh yeah. We still have Luhan here. Very young Chanyeol. Oh, is this an official magazine? Huh. Cute. Yeah, so Nature Republic. Wow, all of these pages are Chanyeol. Oh, so cute. The Skechers endorsement. I think this is from Seasons Greetings 2014. Okay, I don't know if this is an official magazine. It looks like, yeah. So a lot of these are the rookie years. Nice, very nice. Yeah, some of their first TV shows or TV guestings. Yeah, they're still performing Wolf. I believe this is in Lost Planet. Yeah, so the text is in, so we have Chanbek, Chankai. A lot of these are, yeah, the text is in Japanese. Oh my god, too cute. And we have Tao. Is this, oh, Ivy Club, right? And then we still have Luhan here. Tao also. No, OT12 actually. Oh, nice. So Skechers as well. Oh no, Colon Sport, sorry. Right? And Mama. Yeah, a lot of these were also in postcards. Yeah, Colon Sport. Ooh, edited, of course. Looks like an elf. Okay, very cute. Yeah, I'm just going over it with you very quickly. So young. In Genie, when he appeared in Genie. Nice, nice, nice. Long hair Chanyeol. Yeah, his face is the same. He's just, you know, he has more muscle mass now. So he was so skinny back then. He looks really cute here. Oh, and then this is like a Nature Republic shot, right? Oh, cute. There's a folded poster. And that is it for this magazine. I don't know what it's called. If you know, please comment down below. Right? And then these are some, yeah, I don't have the, yeah, I put the poster away, but these are like the post concert benefit Forever Belena, and this is a PVC photo card. So yeah, that's good. So I've like shown you like Ever Belena gold kit, right, in the previous video. And hang on, where's my other thing? I still need to show you something. Hang on. Next up are not official, so they're fan made, but they're really cute as well. So this, I did order like one card holder. So yeah, hang on. And Chansu keychains. They're really cute. I couldn't help myself. So very nice photo card holder for Exist. So this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 members. And I think there's some freebies here. Let me check. Oh, so cute. There are stickers. Hang on. I can't take them out. Okay. Stickers of the same animation. Nice, right? And yeah, 2 stickers. Oh, so cute. And then I did get a notepad. Very cute, very cute. And okay. Very happy. Very happy with these. Okay. And yeah, so I use this. I'm gonna take this in my Hong Kong trip, which happened yesterday when I upload this. Right. And then what else? I do have, okay, not channel related, but I don't know where to include these. So forgive me. This is Baekhyun and Kyungsu related photo cards. So yeah, I'm just gonna include them here. I just received them yesterday. So right, so this one, oh, okay, nice. Oh, very cute stickers. As many stickers. So nice. I didn't get Dio, but it's okay. So I got 6. I actually bought these from yeah, the same store. Okay, let me check. These are actually bright green photo cards. So I got Baekhyun's, and so 2 batches. Yeah, I got this from the store I bought this from, and batch 2 of the bright green photo cards are this is very cute, from another store. Okay. So here is Baekhyun. Sorry about that. Really scattered unboxing. Okay, so I got a Dio expectation freebie. So yeah, there's another bright green. So this is yeah, I just bought the photo cards, not the products. Oh, very cute. So the bright green photo cards, batch 2. Ooh, he's so cute here. Somehow they're thicker than these. Oh no, just same thickness. Sorry about that. Okay, very nice. And then I had bought the Expectation Music Plant POVs. Sorry about this. If you were expecting like a Chanyeol, pure Chanyeol vlog, yeah, because I don't know when I will do an unboxing video again. Yeah, so I got these two freebies. Can you still see? Okay. Oh, so cute. The seller gave me a free card holder for Kyungsu. Very sweet. So Expectation. Oh, nice. The back of the music plant POV is like this. He's so cute here. Oh my god. Okay, can you still see? Okay. And then the card holder. And yeah, so this is the other one. The back looks like that. Let me just take this out. Quite unique, I think. And this actually looks like one of the album photo cards of like the film version, right? And the note, Ago. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that Chanyeol vlog. Comment down below how you're going to celebrate Chanyeol Day. And again, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
제가 느끼기로는 뭔가 좀 아련한 느낌도 있고 아무튼간 진짜 좋은 노래라고 생각해요.